Mis activities and hobbies. Hi, my name is Byron Mendez. I am going to talk about my hobbies and activities. In the mornings, I like to drink hot coffee with cookies. I can eat rice, but I can't eat bread. I can eat fruits, but I can't eat vegetables. Every day, I have a problem. I can drive the car, but I can't go to the work because my wife picks up our son from school. At my job, I can't do the light, so I'll always get up early. My coworkers are good. I can't speak in English, but they help my practice. In my free time, I like to go to with my family. I can dance and sing, but I can't swim. I like going to the mom's house because there I can play the guitar, but I can't play the piano. I can also play volleyball, but I can't play tennis. I can ride a bike, but I can't ride a horse. I can walk, but I can't run. Finally, I can eat fast food, but I can't eat sad food. Thank you.